Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome here at Pinoy Star Stage. I am Bino Rambino, Solid Friends, Art and Soul Talent Agency. Hi to all the viewers guys! How you doing? At syempre, start na tayo ng July. July na! So anong gagawin? Tayo ay magsipag at magtyaga pa rin talaga. At syempre, Sarah sa ating admin Dian. Thank you for having me here and welcome here at Pinoy Star Stage. Just keep on tapping your screen for all the love as always. And please don't forget to follow the Pinoy Stars. And I hope you can follow me by clicking the plus sign and support me by sending gifts. And shout out to my friends out there, most especially Mapapa Ahem, Ate Skyline, Ate Kong Mea na masikip na masarap. Siyempre kay Miss Vicky na kamangga. At siyempre kay Aquarius Madam Che, kay Nadim Munyo, Nadiputa ka, Mayor, kay Zakia. At sa mga nandito po, maraming salamat. Salamat! Hindi. Walang aalok na dede nga ni.
Mapapaulala sa giling ko.
Para bang? Sinta! Hi, next! Kanta na tayo ng mga malulumanay para hindi tayo mapagalitan ng kapitbahay nga ni na para bang
Don't
hindi.
get short change on payday by Sneaky
Loading
Hidden
ko yan.
Fee. Get wise.
Ito ka. July, kagad-kagad ako nag-start ng live post na. Alam, bakit imawa yarn? Let's go. And here's something from Pretty Little Baby by Mamilin from Beshi Tess. Let's go. Pretty little baby, yeah, yeah. Pretty little Beshi, yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby, you say that maybe you've been thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little Beshi. I'm hoping that you do. Kanta to ni Mami Lynn kay, kay Beshi Tess. You can dance with flowers, have sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, and feel the cougars, pretty little Beshi. I'm so in love with you. Hi, Francine. Now it's just the time of orders, your popular masabi say. Yan yung kakantahin niya sa birthday niya, parang matuwang mag-beshi. Si Beshi Tess ay uuwi ng Pinas kasama si Mean sa birthday ni Mami kong magbe-birthday. Nakakabutan na. Charot! Hindi! Ganyan! Let's go. Here we go. Now it's just a town for the young, popular must have it say. Don't you know it's much fun to love while the heart is young and can't pain. Meet me at the car hall or at the passion. Meet me at the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little Beshi, I'm so in love with you. Nagbe-burp pa ako sa manggagi atay. Pretty little Beshi, welcome to late 2026. Sana mapapota ang mga inday na to. Diyos ko po. Sana po ay gabayan niyo pa rin kami. Sana po ay makakota kami ng 1 milyon ngayong buwan. Hindi. Na para bang, sa'yo mo. Kata tayo ng Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Oy, kanina nag 1 PM ako, no? Kala ko may tao, wala din tao nga. Sa madaling araw, para at least kahit na mapuyat ako, at least alive na alive, no? Hey! Someone told me long ago There's a calm before the storm battle. Oh, it's been coming for some time. Oy, Ate Man, Faith, matulog na kayo. When it's over, so they say, gising pa pala ang marites ng BSM. Limang bahay ang kinainan. Nagsarot pa siya para isang linggong may pagkain. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, coming down the sunny day. Hey. Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold, the rain is sun had a home. Beat it away for all my time. Let's go. Till forever on it goes, through the circle passes low. But oh, X, it can't stop to wonder. O Ate Mayan, binawasan mo pa yata yung kota mo. Okay na yan. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Balik ko yan sa PK mo. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down the sunny day. Let's go! At maraming salamat sa mga pumunta. Lami kaayo nga ni Manggod at shoutout sa ating mga bisakol. Let's go! Ayun ang shoutout mo sa mga nanonood. Meron pa ba tayo mga 1, 130, tsaka 2? Ay, meron. Sunod sa akin si JD. At maraming salamat guys sa mga nag-say. Just keep on tapping your screen. Let's go! And now I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Thank you, Ate Kong Bayan. And now I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down the sunny day. Ay, screenshot pala tayo. Wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Para kunyari pipikit para hindi halata yung puyat at pagod. O, di ba? Kaya kapag nakagano, makikita talaga. Pagod yun. Cheer dance. Ay, kantayin natin yung Karma Chameleon. Karma Chameleon.
CapCut AI is more powerful than ever. It's time for your comeback. Let CapCut help you easily become a high-quality daily content creator.
Oy, matulog
Say
na kaya
goodbye
Ate
to hours
Mayan
of photo editing.
katigbak at may pasok pa kayo bukas. Okay na yan, Gani. Let's go and hear something from Karma Chameleon by Culture Club. Ito ang pinanalo namin at kami ay nag-champion ng ating Parikan. Nakakatisa na talaga yon. There's a loving in your eyes all the way. If I listen to your lies, would you say I'm a man without conviction? I'm a man who doesn't know how to sell a contradiction. You come and go, you come and go. Come, yeah. Baka Boss Edwin yan. Si Boss Edwin. You come and go. Loving will be easy, the curls are like margarine. Red, cold, and green. Red, cold, and green. Didn't hear you wicked words every day. And you used to be so sweet. I heard you say that no love was on addiction. 20 more minutes. When weekly our love is wrong. When you go, you're gone forever. He's ring along, he's ring along. Whoop! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. You come and go, you come and go. Loving will be easy, the curls will lie my dream. Red, gold, and green, red, gold, and green. Every day is like survival. You're my lover, not my rival. Every day is like survival. Hi, thank you for the follow. You're my lover, not my rival. Hi to all the viewers, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And thank you for staying. Sabi kay Ate May and Bunda Ay. Sabi kay Marilu, kay Mapa Ehem, Baby Sky, Miss DK, Aquarius, Madam Che, kay ID number 1025-999-790. Bingo! Sabi kay Jen, kay Teho, kay ID number, kay Supremo, kay Rolly, kay Joel, kay Jomar, kay Sophia, kay Jusilene. Siyempre kay Rayzon, kay Jess, kay ID number, kay Ross, at sa mga itek. Hello! Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. Login, Lodi, Magat. You come and go, you come and go. 18 more minutes na lang matutulog na tayo. MG, red, gold, and green, red, gold, and green. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. You come and go, you come and go. Loving will be easier, the curse will like my dreams. Red, gold, and green, red, gold, and green. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. You come and go, you come and go. Loving will be easier, the curse will like my dreams. Red, gold, and green, red, gold, and green. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. We come and go. Hi, Bon. Ay, thank you guys. At sunod natin na Obladi Oblada para matapos na tayo na para bang hindi. Ang katibang ano ko ah. Ang puto ko ah.
Sa requirement.
Let's go. And here's something from The Beatles. Ang kantang Obladi Oblada na para bang hindi. Let's go! And if you know this song, guys, sing with me. Here we go. Let's go. Hi, Baymax. Desmond is a pharaoh in a marketplace. Molly is a singer in a band. Desmond said to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly said, the city takes me to the band. Obladi, oblada, wala ka ng bra. Bakit magbabra ka pa? Obladi, oblada, wala kang dede. Bakit magbabra ka pa? Desmond takes a trolley to a jewelry store. Buys a 20-carat golden ring. Takes it back to Molly, waiting at the door. And he gives a man a sound of punishing. Hazure, 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 oh, Japan. Sorry na, sorry na. Sakit ka, Japan. Sorry na. In the couple of years, they have built the home sweet home. With a couple of years, you're the hidden door. As in a hand. Happy birthday sa mga nagbe-birthday. Birthday ni Miss DK at Ate Mayan. Baka meron pang natirang Shanghai dyan. Abutan nyo naman kami ng Shanghai nyo. Obladi, oblada, life goes on. La 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 goes on. Obladi, Hoblada life goes on. La 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 life goes on. Let's go. In a couple of years they have built their home sweet home. 14 more minutes to go. With a couple of kids running in the yard, I see on it, Happy birthday sa mga nagbe-birthday. Hindi na kayo aabutin bukas. Pero si Mami din magbe-birthday kayo. Susunod naman na siya magbe-birthday. Hoblani, hoblala, tayo doon. Goes on. Hoblani, hoblala, tayo doon. La 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 goes on. 30 more minutes to go. Da 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 da. JJ. Thank you so much. And that was the song of the Beatles and Obladi Oblada. At sunod na daw natin ang kantang na para ba? Ano pa yung mga masasayang kanta? Breathless. Na para bang hindi. Ay, lambada. Ay, lambada. Lambada. Lambada na tayo. Lambada. Sayo tayo. Let's go. Hindi. Ay, hindi. Ay! Para ba? Chano no shiro, sabiro no sere kibumpe. Chone dinis mo, o a e i o. Champurado sa umagang masarap, kakainin ng anak mong tinawa. Champurado sa kamukha ni Bulbul, ang itim kasi ni Bulbul. Puta ka, hindi ko alam to. Eto siya lalalan lang. Ay, snapere be. Baka rin tayo yan. Kagad-kagad yung masarap. Nawalang kagad na sa food. Na parang kagad tayo yan. Let's go! Here we go! Pag-on cam na nga ako sa multi para maka 1 hour tayo ngayong araw. There's two boys in my mind and you know something can't know them. I'm away to the day and the night, the star shines above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when I see him. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la sa umaga. Okay. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Woo! Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, Captain Lee, sha-la-la in the evening. MB, I got sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la just for you. I just got right 10 more minutes ago. Matatapos na tayo ngayon. Baby, love's gone away just like mine. You feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together. So sweet they know and knows you return and truly happy. Demon. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, just for you. Oh, my heart goes sha-la-la-la-la. Okay, malapit na tayo matapos. 9 more minutes to go. Hi, Ninya. And hi to all the viewers, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Siyempre kay Ate May and Boy Ay. Siyempre kay Marilu. Siyempre kay Risky Tot, kay Miss D, kay Aquarius, Madam Chia, ID number, kay Rain, kay ID number, kay Jasmine, and ID number, kay Dayrico, Rolly, North, kay Lodi Magad, kay Jomar, kay Sophia, kay Andres. At sa mga nandito po, thank you for staying. Aray ko. Guys, please don't forget to follow me by clicking the plus sign. Once again, I am Bino from the Philippines. May ano pa sa akin na nalunok ko yung ano ko, yung lalamunan. Let's go. At meron pa tayong 8 more minutes to go. Mga 2 songs pa to. Let's go. Here we go. I've been cheated by you since I don't know way. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Oh, look at me now, really haven't learned how to know how. But I suddenly lose control, honey, there's a power within my soul. Just one look and I can hear about me. One more look and I forget everything. Now be careful, Mamma Mia, baby. Here we go again, Mama. How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? That's it, show again, Mama. Just so much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken all up since the day we parted. Bye-bye, didn't ever let you go, Mamma Mia. Now I really know, Mama, I can never let you go. Thank you, Mayor. I've been angry and sad about the things you do. I can't count all the times that I've told you through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that I'm way too low. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear about me. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamacita, nilalagay sa ulam para ito'y maging malinamnam. Mamacita, nilalagay sa ulam para ito'y maging malinamnam. Yes, I've been broken hearted since the day we parted. Bye-bye, didn't ever let you go, Mamma Mia. Even if I say bye-bye, it mean I would never, Mamma Mia. Kuya day, bye-bye, that's it been forever, Mamma Mia. Here we go again, Dreamcatcher alone. How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? That's a show again, Mama. Just so much I miss you. Alright, thank you so much, guys, and let's move to another song of dance, Dancing Queen. Let's go.
Para sa 100%
Hi, Donnie. John with Ismael. Hello, Anonymous. Ako talaga yung nag-start ng live house ngayong July, no? Let's go. And here's something from ABBA, ang Dancing Queen. Let's go. Let's go. You can dance, you can just have it the time of your life. Ooh, sweet girl, and watch that scene, dig the dancing queen. Wait, mag-SS ako. Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for the place to go. Quiz Day, thank you. Where they play the right music, getting in the swing. You come and do for me. Thank you for Quiz Day. Anybody could be that guy. Thank you, Quiz Day. Night is young and the music high. With the beat, the right music, everything is fine. You come and do for me. Let's go. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Okay, yeah, you can dance, you can jump. I'm having the time of your life. Ooh, see the girl. Thank you for saying, watch that scene, the dancing queen. O, yung aga ng buhay naman natin. O, God bless you more, Tuesday. Kala ko walang nanonood eh. Kala ko walang nanonood eh. May tao din pala. You're a Tuesday, come down. Woo! Leave the burden and when you're aga naman ang magbigay naman pag mayaman. Looking out for another, anyone will feel you're coming to. Kung di tali ako nakakanta, thank you, Pastor. And when you get the chance, thank you, PJ. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Ang dami pa rin talaga mababait, thank you, Lord. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Okay, you can dance, you can jump. I'm having the time of your life. Ooh, see the girl and watch that scene, digging the dancing king. Ayun na dancing king. Thank you, Coach James. God bless you more and more blessings will come with you. Pero nakakatuwa, ang dami pa rin talagang mababait na tao. Pero ako na-amaze ako sa mga tao ako, yung kahit hindi ka kilala, pero binibigyan ka, no? Kaya, thank you, Coach Jay. Napakaagang blessing yan. Kaya, ibabalik sa'yo ni Papa Gears yan ng doble-doble. Kaya, thank you so much. At let's have another song up. Ano po maganda? Totoy Vivo. Let's go. Yung ang aga mo kumakanta, no? Yung mga kapitbahay mo talaga. Ayun na, madami tayong mababait dito talaga. Kaya mabuti pa na talaga tayo. Game. At syempre maraming salamat kayo sa mga nag-stay, sa mga nakasama ko. Let's go! Woo! Wala pa ba ng babat? Wala pa nga. Boss Christian, tingnan mo, nakaganito pa ako. Oh. Tignan mo, oh. Bawal na kasi kung mag-headset, si Riding ako eh. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, pinong-pinong gumalaw. Ay, wag na palang sumayaw. Noong bata pa ako, nabato na ako ng kapitbahay sa ingay. Araw-araw kumakanta dito sa live house na bigulay. Nakakota nga ako pero napabarangay naman. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin Pinong Patong. Oh, ang galing. Yun lang, hindi mo rin sasabi. Galing kong bumanag. Pero, nung naging dancer of the year ako, lagi akong niya. Ay, susunod na sa akin, walang iba kundi si JD. Thank you guys, bye. Thank you, boss. Quiz Day, bye.